Okay, guys, we're talking about something most people don't expect when starting a tiny house build: the cost of bringing power when everything works against you. So if you watched my last video, you know we had a tough situation at another job site, but this one makes that one look easy. So let me walk you through it. Here's the deal. We're building two tiny houses side by side, but both lots only have access through this private road. Power? It's across the main road, nowhere near our two lots. And here's where everything got complicated. We can't run power across somebody else's lot, not overhead and not underground. So the only way to get power to our two builds was across the main road, onto a new pole, from our new pole underground down our private road, then to a pad mount transformer, then from our pad mount transformer underground to each house. And keep in mind, this wasn't regular service wire. This is primary power that we're running from our pole to our transformer. Primary power underground means trenching, conduit, special wire, inspections, and a lot of coordinating with the utility company. It takes extensive excavation, and because we have to finish out the right-of-way and the driveways, we had to do all of this before we could even think about final grade or gravel. I'm going to be honest, this was a gut punch. New pole across the road, trenching the private right-of-way, the underground primary run, installing a pad mount transformer, conduit, wire, and materials, and then separate underground service lines for each house. We're talking well over $10,000. And that's before factoring in restoring the right-of-way and finishing out the driveways. And here's the main takeaway. The only reason this didn't derail the entire project is because we had the power company stake it early on. That helped us design the driveway, avoid tearing up finished work, and budget. So if you're planning to build, tiny home or not, power can be the thing that sneaks up on you. And if you missed the first video about a more normal power scenario, watch that one next. It makes this one look easy.